Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the rear windshield wiper on your Toyota 4Runner. First, gather your new wiper blade and a clean cloth. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the rear window. This provides clear access to the old blade, making the next steps much easier to perform. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look for a small tab or button at the point where the blade attaches to the arm. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old wiper blade down and off the arm's hook. It should detach with a gentle click. Take a moment to inspect the wiper arm for any signs of damage or corrosion before moving on to the next step. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take the new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to ensure it is firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the rear windshield. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blade using your washer fluid to ensure it wipes smoothly and effectively. For optimal visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your rear wiper blade every 6 to 12 months, or whenever you notice streaking or skipping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.